Population may be defined as total number of individual species in a particular area at a given time is known as population. The population may be compared with the community. Population means that the similar type of a species present in a particular area of a given time. While in community, different type of a species are present in a particular area of a given time. The scientific study of the human population is known as the demography. It deals with the three phenomena: change in population, age, composition of population, distribution of population. Here is there some data of India, of the male and female. Here is the keystone. That is the very important, the keystone. Keystone may be the present in the low abundance but play a vital role in community. Removal of keystone a species causes the serious disruption in the functioning of the community. Only very few species of community works as a keystone. Say for example, there is an example you can understand about the keystone. In the tropical rainforest, the different type of the figs are present. Fig is a type of the plant, and on the food of the fig, various types of the animals are depend. If there is this fig produces if the fig is absent on that particular area, the food is a scarcity. There is a food scarcity. These fruit play an important role. These fruit are eaten by a variety of the animals like the monkey, birds, rats, etc. So fig play an important role in the tropical area. And the second example is given here about the flying fox. That is commonly known as the bat. Is a keystone in many old world tropical island. It pollinates many plants and play a vital role in the seed dispersal. If it is eliminated by hunting or by various other agencies, by various habitat or destruction of the habitat, so there is no life, or there is no distribution of the fruits and the seeds. Here is a link species. The term link species in a community that acts as the link between the number of the other species and play a vital role in absorption of nutrient from the soil. The ecotone, the place of the zone where the two communities meet or blend together. Here in an example where the ecotone is present. Ecotone is an important point which is asked in many competitive examinations. So the ecotone is the transition zone between the two or more communities. For example, between the forest and the grassland, between the pond and the dry land. Here is some other point of the ecotone. Ecotone contains few species from both the community, and in addition, the species that are characteristics of and often restricted to ecotone. The total number of species in the ecotone is greater than those present in the adjoining area. This is called the is effect. So again, I am repeating, total number of species in the ecotone is greater than those present in the adjoining area is known as the age effect. Age effect is also described here. Here the age species, the species that are spend the greatest amount of their time in the ecotone is area